Emmanuel Christian Academy are the JISA Under-12 Canopy Insurance Alberga Cup champions. They defeated Lanneman's Prep 4-1 in the final held at the American International School of Kingston on Saturday. Goalkeeper Noah Sylvester got Emmanuel off and running in the 6th minute. Xander Pagan doubled their advantage 5 minutes later. It was 3-0 at halftime through Kyan Thomas as Emmanuel put a hand on the title. Lanneman's returned from the break and cut the deficit within 2 minutes through Deveron Dixon. However, 4 minutes later, Emmanuel capitalized from an own goal to become the champions for the second time in their history.
2022, when we got to the finals, they were the one that defeated us, and I reminded the boys of that. So this season, this was the icing on the cake. We had some hiccups, but the hotter the battle, sweeter the victory. This is a David versus Goliath story, and again, David won, but this time, 4 stone.
Goalkeeper Sylvester was named the player of the match.
Oh my God, I was very happy. I scored a goal, free kick, and I assisted one. So yeah, all of us are very happy. My coach and my other coaches, my parents, all of us are very happy.
It was the second time this season that Lanneman's were losing a final, having been beaten in the Henriquez Cup by St. Peter and Paul.
We are very disappointed, of course, not to get the win. I mean, this is thing I was always worried about. I mean, they are youngsters and they are still learning the game. And I mean, conceding 1 goal in the first half and the players just lost concentration and it really cost us the game.
Emmanuel Christian ended the game with 10 players as Leandre Dixon was sent off in stoppage time.